If your firearm design works and you haven't used Enventive, you're probably holding some tolerances too tight and leaving money on the table. With Enventive, I condensed months of calculations into weeks. I'm a firearm design engineer. I used to rely on time-consuming hand calculations, spreadsheets, and multiple rounds of prototypes. For high-risk mechanisms, I'd build at edge conditions, but I had to choose carefully which conditions to test and which prototypes to build. I had to resist the urge to tighten tolerances across the board, which can rapidly add to costs. Then, I was introduced to Enventive Concept tolerance analysis software. It works alongside your native CAD system, showing how parts interact and how tolerances affect clearances and function, and most importantly, where you actually need precision and where you don't. I use it to design fire control systems that aren't just safe. They consistently deliver ideal trigger pull force profiles and are genuinely manufacturable. Enventive Concept. Design with confidence.